feet. Did he go 5 feet? Yeah, we're there.
Okay. Okay. 3 feet, 4 feet.
Pythagoras
5 feet.
theorem. Because you'd have 3 squared plus the 4 squared. That'd be 9 plus, would it be 16, which is 25. 25 square root of 25 would be 5.
Okay. Got it. That's really long.
Like look you gave me.
That's really long.
Alright, so we just had the water truck here and we tried to fill our big tank. But unfortunately, we just didn't account for a few things. It's 100% my fault. I just didn't foresee it. Never tried to see this. Even the smallest gap on the bottom type thing, it was enough to pull the plastic right through. And then it kind of fills up like that, which you can't really have. That's all awkward. And then eventually on the sides, it was powerful enough as it got full to just pull it right through the big gap. And then the water all spilled out, and you know, there was much embarrassment all around. So we're gonna have to add a few things to it and kind of redesign it a little bit, and you know, give it another go. We'll keep you in the loop as well.
All right. This is different than how we ended the last time. Looks great. This might hold. Basically what you would expect.
There you go. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hello. Thanks.
Hi. Okay, so we just had a load of water dumped into our pool here just the other day, and now we are pumping it into this because we needed to make it stronger, and now it's stronger, and now we're filling it up. The socks on.
Darn right.
Okay, well, I'll come back again in a couple hours. I'll see you in a little bit. It'll be a nice...
Eventually I'll be able to swim my way out.
Yeah, easy. All right. Theoretically, how much water is this going to take?
2,200 gallons? I think it's something like that.
2,200. And how much is in the pool over there?
Oh, I think about the same, a little more.
Okay. Just slowly filling up. That is great. Ooh la la. Looks great. So this we are putting in is sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate. So all of these pieces of metal are
Those
attached.
are the electrodes. Those will be attached to the positive for the DC power supply. And then the negative will be attached to the cab itself. And the magic of electrolysis happens.
Hi. It's great. I love it. It's up to the front window. Now it's coming up to the back window.
Tell me when it's just over the roof.
Okay, I will. Going down great. Keep going, keep going. Keep going, keep going. Can you hear that?
Yeah. How much is it under?
Keep going. You need to go under more. More. A little bit more. It's not quite under yet.
Letting the bubbles escape.
Yeah.
It almost floats on the
Film what you're doing. This is connected. Bloop. To your fences.
This is our little DC power supply from the world famous Amazon, if you've heard of it. You know, you may want to film the water. It should theoretically like bubble a little bit and you should see things start to theoretically happen. I'm not sure. Ready?
Ready.